Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got an Audi Q7 here on a 2014 plate. So basically this is what it is. So if you've got one of these and you want to know how to lock the suspensions to jack the car up, it is quite a simple procedure. So this is what it looks like if you've got one of them. To do it, it's easy. All you got to do here, I mean, you have the engine running, so obviously you start the car up. If it's keyless, you press the button and then start the car up. You go onto car. Once you go onto car, you can see that picture would then come up. Now if you want to just go back, see if I go back, now you can raise the car up manually as well. So if you lift the car up from there, you want off-road air, comfort, dynamic. At the moment it's in auto. I then need to go onto the car system. I press this button right here, and then I need to go onto the service check. Then you got service interval, air suspension, wiper blade change, chassis number, and what else is in there. That's about it. So what I need to do now is, if you look on the dashboard there, if I switch that off, click on it, scroll right, switch on. Now you see that lights come on. That means your air suspensions are locked. You can now jack the car up as normal, and you're going to replace the tires or whatever you got to do. Now if you did want to do the wiper blades as well, so if you scroll down, press OK, watch the wiper blade. I'll switch it on. That comes to a changing position, so you can now resume and replace the wiper blades, and that's it. Now if you want to get back into the normal position, press the center button again, which is this one here, and then you press that button again, off. You can see the wipers have come down. Now if I go onto the suspensions, so I press the center button again, switch off, the light's gone. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. This is an Audi Q7 on a 2014 plate. The earlier model may have the same thing as well. The later model may have the same thing as well. You just got to go into settings, press car, go into service and checks, and then in that area you'd find, with regards to wiper blades, with regards to air suspension, to lock them in position, so you can remove the wheel, replace the tire, or remove the wheel for whatever reason. You can do that, and that's it. Anything you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.